done. There are still 43 participants, including me. Do you think we need to wait or we just begin the lesson? What do you think?
We wait them for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes from now. So we will start at 2:15. Yeah. Yes. 2:15. Okay then. Deal. 2 minutes only, not more. Okay, good afternoon, Ibu Sani Susanti. Okay, so it's now 2:15. Sudah pukul 2.15. It's 2:15 p.m. I think we just go with our lesson. All right, we just start. Okay, Bapak Ibu?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So
Okay, sir.
I think today we need to start with written expression questions. The strategies are a bit different. Okay. Strateginya sedikit berbeda karena untuk section ini kita harus menemukan yang salah, bukan melengkapi kalimat, menemukan yang salah. Okay, but the skills remain the same. Skill yang kita butuhkan tetap sama. Misalnya, for example, skill number 1, kita cek dulu apakah kalimatnya ini sudah ada subjek atau verb. Apakah verbnya ada 2? Kalau verbnya ada 2, apakah ada connectornya, and so on. And so, we apply all of these strategies, okay, to written expressions. Apakah subjeknya benar-benar subjek, ataukah subjeknya itu menggunakan object or prepositions? Kalau menggunakan object or prepositions, berarti itulah yang salah di kalimat tersebut. Okay, so the same skills, the same strategies. So kalau tidak salah, kemarin kita sempat mendiskusikan sekilas, okay, mengenai written expressions. And if you can see here, okay, what you need to do for the procedures, first look at the underlined word or groups of words. Jadi yang di garis bawah itu bisa berupa kata atau kumpulan kata. And you want to see if you can spot, okay, You want to see if you can spot which of the 4 answer choices is not correct, yang salah. If you have been unable to find the error by looking only at the 4 underlined expressions, then read the complete sentence. Kalau saya sih, saya sarankan kepada Bapak Ibu, read the complete sentence first. Oke, jangan hanya yang di underline. Baca dulu keseluruhan kalimat, setelah itu lihat yang di underline, baru tentukan mana yang salah. Often an underlined expression is incorrect because of something in another part of the sentence. Jadi yang underline itu bisa menjadi salah karena kata-kata lain yang digunakan di dalam kalimat tersebut. Bukan berarti yang di underline kalau in isolation itu salah. Oke, kalau digunakan tersendiri salah, tidak. Salah karena dalam konteks kalimat tersebut. Okay, so for example here, a nerve is actually many nerve fiber bound together. Oke, kalimat ini bagus, ada subjeknya, ada verbnya, subjeknya berupa kata benda, bukan object of prepositions, and then satu verb, only one verb, is, subjek sama verbnya apakah agree, Bapak Ibu? A nerve is. Apakah agree, subject and verb?
Yes, sir.
Agree. Okay, so a nerve is actually, penggunaan actually is okay here. Jadi A sama B sudah benar. Many nerve fiber. So this should be the incorrect one. Kenapa saya mengatakan C pilihan yang salah? Ada yang tahu alasannya? Kenapa C yang salah? Bukan A, bukan B, bukan D?
Jamak.
Yes. Thank you. Ya, Pak. Ya, Ibu. Okay, many, it indicates plural form. Mengindikasikan penggunaan bentuk jamak dari kata benda. So, fiber must be in plural form. Makanya fiber is the incorrect one. Oke, gampang kan, Pak, Bu? Oke, so the incorrect one, ya, yang salah. Nah, menambah strategi yang telah kita diskusikan selama 2 hari. Sudah 2 hari atau baru 1 hari kita diskusi structure and written expression?
2 days, sir.
2 days, okay. So menambah pengetahuan kita yang sudah kita diskusikan selama 2 hari, the last 2 days. Now we have here more. What I just mentioned, okay, problems with subject and verb agreement. Jadi tambahan lagi, okay, you need to make sure all subject and verb agree in the sentences. Okay, so we have here subject-verb agreement with prepositional phrase. Jadi jangan dihiraukan, jangan diperhatikan, dipikirkan prepositional phrase-nya itu. Subjeknya itu tetap yang di sebelum preposition. Oke, subjek, jadi subjeknya harus agree dengan verb-nya. Berbeda dengan kalau subjeknya menggunakan using expressions of quantity. Expressions of quantity, we have here, for example, contohnya all, most, some, half, and there are other expressions. Now, if the subject uses, one of these expressions of quantity, yang agree itu bukan all-nya, bukan expressions-nya, bukan most-nya, bukan some-nya, tetapi apa yang mengikutinya, object of prepositions-nya. Oke, makanya tadi di sini dibuat tanda panahnya, object agree with verb. Kenapa saya bilang seperti itu? Karena all, most, some, have bisa diikuti singular, bisa diikuti uncountable, bisa diikuti plural countable. So for example, kalau saya menggunakan all of the children, apakah di sini is atau are? Saya kasih dua pilihan, Bapak Ibu. All of the children, is or are?
Are.
Is.
Are. Oke, karena setelah of the children is plural. Tapi kalau saya ganti lagi, all of the information, is atau are?
Is.
Kenapa is?
Okay.
Information is uncountable. Uncountable selalu memakai singular verb seperti is atau was. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, let's see here. Subject-verb agreement after certain words. Now, we have here, ini sangat-sangat banyak sekali dipakai. Very often, okay, we use it not only in speaking, but also in writing. But sometimes, okay, we get confused. Do we need to use singular verb or plural verb? Now, we have here, they take singular verbs, all of them. Semuanya memakai singular verbs. Anybody, everybody, anyone, everyone, no one, anything, everything, nothing, something. Okay, diikuti singular verbs. And then also this one, each, like for example, each one of the children, each one of the children. Yang dihitung itu each-nya. Jadi memakai singular verb. Every student, okay, every student is, okay, atau every student studies, not study, because they take singular verbs. So be careful with subject-verb agreement, dan biasanya itu 2 atau 3 pertanyaan pertama di written expression questions, okay, selalu berupa subject-verb agreement. Any questions, please? Hello? Anything you would like to ask? Ada pertanyaan, Bapak Ibu?
No, sir.
No?
No.
No? Okay.
Countable and uncountable. So can you explain?
Okay, countable and uncountable. Seperti yang I think all of you know, uncountable cannot be counted. Okay, kuantitinya tidak bisa di-counted. Quantity, ya, Ibu. Jadi, karena tidak bisa dihitung, uncountable is considered singular. Jadi, uncountable itu dianggap semuanya singular. Maksudnya, mengambil kata benda dalam bentuk singular. Okay, so for example, information, oil, okay, salt, sugar. Okay, so for example, sugar is very expensive nowadays. Saya tidak bisa menggunakan are karena sugar is uncountable. Okay, cannot be counted. Tidak bisa dihitung. Berbeda kalau saya bilang 2 kilograms of sugar. Nah, kalau itu baru saya memakai kata kerja yang plural karena saya menitik beratkan kepada kilogramsnya. 2 kilograms of sugar are needed. Okay, to make, kita buat apa ya, Bu? Memakai 2 kilogram gula. To make the cake, for example. Okay, so just an example, ya. So 2 kilograms of sugar are needed. Sugar is expensive. Is not healthy, for example. Okay, kalau countable, we can count the quantity. So it can be singular if only one, the quantity is one. Kalau kuantitasnya hanya satu, but more than one, then plural. So like, for example, one laptop, two laptops, okay? Or we can say one student, two students. Okay, Ibu?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so
Thank
that's
you, sir.
countable and uncountable. My pleasure. Okay, now let's see. Kita langsung saja exercise. Jangan banyak-banyak teori. Exercise now. Itu Mem Hairunisa sama Mem Helena jangan kerjasama ya.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Kalau sudah selesai, tolong beritahu saya sehingga bisa ke slide berikutnya. Tutup aja pintu aja. Ya. Next slide. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next slide, please. Are we done? Are we finished?
Done, sir.
Shall we discuss? Okay.
Not yet, sir.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
Yet, sir. Please wait.
One more minute, please. One more minute, please.
I miss number 4.
Number 4. Sebentar ya Pak, kita selesaikan dulu di slide ini Pak. Okay, we go back to the previous slide. Okay, so I think that's enough. So number 1, we analyze again. Okay, among these, among is preposition and these is object of preposition. And kita sudah tahu, we all know that object of preposition cannot be subject. Berarti kalimat ini tidak ada subjeknya. Okay, among these is not subject. And then we have a highly elaborate form of communication. Jadi selain subjek, tampaknya verb juga tidak ada. So, which one is the correct answer? A, B, C, D. Hello?
Yes, sir.
D, sir. D.
D, sir. D. Delta, sir.
Delta.
They occur.
Only, sir.
It is Charlie. It occurs a highly elaborate form of. Jadi ingat lagi, sekali lagi saya ingatkan Bapak Ibu. Okay. Object of preposition is not subject. Jadi bees itu bukan subject karena bees sebelum bees itu ada among. Among is preposition. Okay, so bees is object of preposition. It occurs a highly elaborate. Okay, so we need to choose Charlie. It occurs. Next, number 4. Heated by. Oh, there is verb. Okay, have spatial. There is verb. Tapi tampaknya tidak ada connector. Benar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tidak ada connector. Berarti ini heated-nya ini, past participle-nya ini, dia di sini berfungsi sebagai adjective, not verb. Berarti biarkanlah dia sendiri sebagai adjective. Tidak perlu kita pusing memikirkan are atau has atau have atau is. Okay? Berarti yang kita pikirkan, apa yang hilang di sini di kalimat ini, Bapak Ibu? What is missing? Subjeknya.
Subject.
Verbnya yang mana ini, Bapak Ibu? Have. Berarti yang kita harus pilih subjeknya yang plural. So which one? Delta. Good. Easy. Okay, homes have spatial collectors on the roofs. Next, please. Okay, mulai. Choose the letter of the underlined word or group of words. That is not correct. Each number of, seharusnya situ ada ya, of ya Bapak Ibu, maaf. Each number of binary systems are formed from only 2 symbols.
B.
B. Ya, kenapa Bravo? Benar.
Karena
Tadi baru
tunggal.
ya,
Singular.
tunggal. Each.
It's
Ya.
singular.
Baru saja kita diskusikan ya Bapak Ibu, each. Right?
Singular.
Okay. Singular. Yes. Next, number 4. Scientists at the medical center is trying to determine if there is a relationship between saccharin and cancer.
Alpha.
Why alpha?
Scientist is
Scientist.
plural, sir.
Plural.
Very good.
Scientist.
Scientists plural are trying. Ini kalimatnya mengecoh Bapak Ibu dengan menambahkan object of preposition medical center. Jadi kalau tidak hati-hati, oh medical center kan singular berarti is-nya benar. No. Subjeknya scientist.
Scientist.
Yes. Good. Next please. On the rim of the Kilauea, I'm not really sure how to say it, volcano in the Hawaiian Islands are a hotel called the Volcano Hotel. Kalau masih ingat Bapak Ibu, ini kalimat diawali dengan place expressions. Okay? Place expressions on the rim of the Kilauea volcano in the Hawaiian Islands. Jadi kalau kalimat diawali dengan place of expression, apa yang terjadi? Apakah masih ingat?
Bentar
Singular,
lagi.
sir.
No. Pertanyaan saya, Pak. Kalau kalimatnya diawali place of expression, apakah yang terjadi?
Bentar.
Apa yang terjadi? Tidak ada yang terjadi? Sesuatu terjadi.
Verb mendahului subjek ya, sir?
Yes, very good. Verb mendahului subjek. Iya, benar sudah. Verbnya ini mendahului subjeknya a hotel. Tapi wait a minute.
Is.
Subjeknya a hotel. Berarti
Si.
seharusnya verbnya
Is.
Is.
okay, very good.
Is.
Is a hotel.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay. Next please, number 6.
The Great Digital Advances. Ini apa?
Banyak kali kata-kata yang sulit di sini ya, Bu.
Because.
Kalau saya sih,
Charlie ya.
kalau saya
Si,
sih
sir.
langsung lihat subjeknya apa.
Subjek.
Subjeknya
Singular.
advances itu plural.
Plural.
Sementara verbnya has.
Have.
Berarti harusnya have.
Must be have, sir.
Have.
Ya, okay. Have been planted. Jadi yang salah itu C. Next, please. Number 7. There are reasons. Okay. Frequently mentioned, benar. Mentioned. Frequently mentioned reason. Adjective, adverb. Okay. Why 1 out of 4 arrest? Ada 4 arrest,
Asli.
tapi di sini ada of, object of preposition, berarti bukan subjeknya. Subjeknya adalah one. Berarti di sini seharusnya involves. Oh, memakai S. Present simple. Balik lagi kita ke present simple. Jadi sering sekali dia ditambahkan itu subjeknya ditambahkan object of preposition untuk mengecoh Bapak Ibu. Oke? Jangan terkecoh.
Oh iya.
Jangan.
Sir, I want to
Yes.
ask, sir.
Of course you can ask me, Pak Suye.
How about answer for choice A, sir? Many, frequently, sir. It is double or no, sir?
Yang mana double, Pak?
Yang many.
Oh, many.
Is it double or no, sir? Many and
Maksudnya-
frequently, sir.
Oh, it's not double. Okay,
Is it
many-nya
double, sir? Or
it's
not
not
double?
double. It's not double. Many here means reasons. Refer to the reasons here. Okay, many reasons. Okay, so what kind of reasons? Okay, what sort of reasons? Frequently mentioned reasons. So many and frequently, certainly not double meaning here. Okay, not redundant. Mungkin maksud Bapak tadi redundant ya? Okay,
Iya,
no.
sir. Makanya jawabnya A.
Okay. Not redundant di sini, Pak. Okay. Frequently sama many completely different idea.
Oke,
Okay,
sir.
Pak?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Next.
What does it mean about 1 out of 4?
Kenapa itu, Pak?
Is there something, itu ada artinya khusus nggak? 1 out of 4.
Seperti statistik, Pak. Kita penelitian kuantitatif. 1 out of 4. 1 dari 4. Maksudnya gimana, Pak?
Ya, berarti dia berikutnya cocok dia pakai arrest ya. With S.
Oh, arrest ini ya harus plural karena dia for arrest.
Tapi 1
Jadi,
out of 4.
1 out of 4 berarti 25% kan, Pak? 1 out of 4. Jadi dari setiap 4 penangkapan, 1 diantaranya involve a juvenile, sorry, ke kriminal remaja, something like that. Jadi 1 dari 4 penangkapan yang dilakukan polisi, alasannya adalah juvenile here. Juvenile, if I'm not mistaken, is something related to teenagers doing criminals. If I'm not mistaken, kalau saya tidak salah.
Oke.
Mungkin salah. Oke. Ya, oke, Pak. So, next please. Ya, jadi hanya mengatakan, cara lain mengatakan 25%, Pak. 1 out of 4 arrests. Next please, number 8.
Number 8.
Number 8.
A, sir.
8.
Number 8.
Alpha.
Not number 6.
Alpha.
Alpha. Kenapa alpha?
Because subject is plural, sir.
Yeah.
Principle.
Yeah.
Principles.
Laws, kemudian dijelaskan lagi principles, ya. Oke, jadi seharusnya apa, Pak?
Yeah.
Were
Sir.
formulated based on observations made without a telescope. Yes, very good. Next, number 9. Only with a 2/3 vote by both houses, okay, are the
B,
US
sir.
Congress able to override a presidential veto? Why B?
Because it consists with the word only, sir.
Only itu expression apa, Pak?
Only.
Mula.
Lembar aktivitas.
Only, masih ingat, Pak, negative expressions? Negative expressions. Kalau kalimat dimulai dengan negative expressions, termasuklah rarely, barely, never, only, apa yang terjadi? Apa yang terjadi?
Tes ke siswa untuk melihat efektivitas yang
Halo, Bapak Ibu. Kemarin kita diskusikan inverted. Benar kan? Verbnya mendahului subjek.
Object.
Oke.
Verbnya harus
Apakah
mendahului.
verbnya mendahului subjek? Verbnya are, subjeknya
The
The
US.
Congress. The
the
US
US
Congress.
Congress. Oke, apakah sekarang, jadi kita tahu ini verbnya US Congress, subjeknya.
Bravo, Bapak sir.
Check.
Bravo. Kenapa, Bu?
Singular verbnya.
Singular.
Subject.
Thank you. Is. Good. Next, please. Number 10. Of all the evidence that has piled up since Webster's paper was published, There is no new ideas to contradict his original theory.
I just
Hello?
Yes,
B.
sir. A, sir.
A, B, C, D.
Bravo.
A,
Bravo. A, Alpha. Oke, kita tanya. Kenapa A, Pak?
Because of all the evidence is plural, sir.
Plural? Oke. Sekarang kita ke Pak Al-Kafi. Kenapa
Macet.
Pak Al-Kafi tadi apa, Pak? B atau C atau D?
Bravo.
Bravo. Kenapa Bravo, Pak?
Because I take a look the new ideas.
New ideas. I think I have to agree with Pak Al-Kafi. Okay. New ideas, plural. Okay. Berarti verbnya are. Kenapa bukan A? Why not A? Because again, okay, all the evidence. Tadi baru saja ya, all. Jadi apakah agreement-nya berdasarkan expressions ini? Tidak, berdasarkan object of preposition-nya. Jadi balik lagi kita, all, setelah all, apa dia object of preposition-nya? Evidence. Oke, evidence itu singular, uncountable. Uncountable, right? So that's why has. Okay. Nah, kemudian one more question before we go to the next slide. Masih ingat there? Mem Helena langsung sudah bening dia langsung. Masih ingat there? Place expression. Place expression kan? There, termasuklah dia place expression. Kalau kalimat dimulai dari place expression, inverted lah dia. Verbnya mendahului subject. Jadi benar tadi kata Pak Al-Kafi tadi, subjeknya itu new ideas. Verbnya mendahului subject. New ideas berarti dia bukan is, harus are. Okay? Hello? Bagaimana Bapak Ibu?
Confused, sir.
Confused. Okay.
What's wrong with me? I have no idea.
Harus detail, sir.
Oke, jadi saya coba kembali lagi ke pembahasan kita kemarin. Karena tetap kita pakai itu. Walaupun sekarang kita membahas written expression questions. Jadi bukan berarti strategi-strategi atau skills, kalau boleh saya sebutkan skills yang kita bahas 2 hari terakhir, oke, tidak digunakan pada written expressions. No, tetap digunakan. Hanya bentuk soalnya yang berbeda. Oke, makanya tadi selalu saya balikkan lagi ke belakang. Oke, misalnya yang tadi there atau on the rim itu kalimat yang dimulai dengan place expression seperti nomor 5, seperti nomor 10, berarti atau kalimat yang dimulai dengan negative expression seperti only, number 9, berarti verbnya mendahului subject. Jadi kita bisa tentukan, oh subjeknya sebenarnya ini, new ideas, oke, makanya are. Apalagi nomor 9 tadi, subjeknya adalah US Congress, bukan houses. Nomor 9, right? Congress, considered as one. Makanya jawabannya adalah, yang salah adalah B, is. Seharusnya is, bukan are. Jadi, harap diingat ya Bapak Ibu ya. Okay, what we have discussed for the last 2 days. Selama 2 hari terakhir. Oke, halo. Kok pada lemas?
Oke, sir.
Oke, sir.
Okay, right. So next one, please. Problems with parallel structure. Okay, parallel structure here. selalu muncul di written expressions. Oke, jadi dicoba dijebak Bapak Ibu dengan parallel structure. So what does it mean here? Whenever you see these connectors, terutama connectors ini, and, but, or, apapun yang dihubungkan oleh mereka harus paralel, harus sama. Misalnya, I like to sing and to dance. To sing, to dance. Oke, sama kan? Berimbang. To sing, to dance. I like singing, dancing, and dancing. Jangan nanti, I like to sing and dancing. That's not parallel. Oke? Jadi to sing sama dancing, satu to infinitive. Satu lagi ing, dancing. Sementara digabungkan dengan connector and. That's not parallel. Jadi apapun yang digabungkan oleh and, but, or must be in the same structure. Can you remember that? Okay, we have more examples here. He wants either to go by train or by plane. Sekilas atau dalam percakapan ini acceptable. But in TOEFL test, this is not acceptable. Why not? Because here either or not parallel. Yang satu panjang, to go by train. Ekornya cuma by plane. It's not parallel, tidak seimbang. So it must be to go by train or to go by plane. Okay, or to fly by plane. Okay, and then here we have, oh ya, ini dia jawabannya, sorry. To go by train or by plane, to go by plane. And then we have here, atau disingkat saja, he wants to go, either-nya yang kita pindahkan. Either by train or by plane. Jadi sudah seimbang. Kalau tidak mau mengulangi kata to go. Okay, either-nya kita pindahkan. He wants to go by, mau lebih singkat lagi, either-nya kita semakin dekatkan. Okay, either train or plane. Train kata benda, plane kata benda, parallel. Okay, by train, object of preposition by plane, object of preposition by, seimbang. Parallel. Okay, jadi selain and, but, or, we also have both and. Jadi di antara both sama and ini harus same structure. Okay, either or. In between must be in the same structure. Neither nor, not only but also. Kita sering menggunakan not only but also in our paper, for example. Okay, not only this but also this. Okay, bisa diingat Bapak Ibu? And, but, or, both and, either or, not only but also, neither nor. Same structure. Any questions? Hello? No?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, okay. Practice. Langsung practice. Neither, okay, langsung dia dalam bentuk soal sekarang Ibu, Bapak. Truman Capote's In Cold Blood is neither journalistically accurate. Neither tadi diikuti or atau nor?
No.
Nor. Berarti antara B, Bravo, dan Delta. Nah,
Delta.
sekarang yang mana? B, O, Bravo, o Delta?
Delta.
Kenapa Delta? Kenapa Delta? Why Delta?
Journalistically harus sama.
Adverb, yes.
Adverb, sir.
Adverb, adjective, right? Journalistically, adverb, accurate,
Yeah, betul,
adjective.
Prof.
Completely, adverb, fictitious, adjective. Berarti seimbang dia. Parallel. Okay? Kalau yang B, it's not parallel. Walaupun, okay, masih masuk akal, alright, but it's not parallel because we have here fictitious is adjective, work is noun. Dalam konteks ini work sebagai kata benda, okay, fictitious work. Jadi tidak, it's not parallel. Good. Number 2, vitamin C or vitamin C is necessary for the prevention. Oh, okay. And
And
and which
B,
one?
for curing.
Yeah, very good. Why?
Seimbang dengan for-nya itu.
Yeah, seimbang dengan for-nya. Very good. For the prevention and for curing of scurvy. Okay, good. Next, please, number 3. A baby's development is influenced by both heredity and, okay, noun di sini harus kita cari noun lagi supaya seimbang. Yang mana?
Delta.
Delta.
Environment.
Okay, good. Jadi bukan hanya bawaan, keturunan, tapi juga lingkungan. Next, number 4. Because bone loss occurs earlier in women than, okay, women berarti cari padanan yang biar paralel. Which one?
Bravo.
Yes?
Bravo.
Then in men, very good. Okay, the effects of osteoporosis are more apparent in women. Good, bravo. Next, please. Okay, sekarang I will not help you. Remember, must be parallel. Okay, finish? Okay. Number 5, which one?
5, C. C.
C? Charlie?
Yeah.
No, not Charlie, but Delta.
Delta.
Why Delta? Gas,
Delta.
chemical, water. Yes, must be water. Okay, Delta. Number 6. The U.S. Congress consists of
Delta.
both the Senate as well as Delta.
Delta.
Both diikuti, nggak pernah diikuti as
And.
well as. Walaupun maknanya sama. Okay, and. Both the Senate and. Next, number 7. Population. The prison population in the state now at an all-time high is higher than any state.
It's highest.
Nope. Higher sudah
How
benar
about
Pak, karena sini diikuti than. Delta.
this,
Kenapa
sir?
delta?
Delta.
Kenapa
Some
delta?
states, sir.
Then
State itu apa namanya?
Any, it must be some, ya.
State negara bagian kan Bu? Oke. Then tadi di sini in ya. Then in dan juga any-nya juga ini kurang lengkap, any state, any other state, dan harus pakai s lagi. Banyak salahnya di delta. Oke? In any other state. Atau cukup in other states. Tidak usah memakai any. Other. Dia comparing. Okay? Next. This is easy. Come on.
Delta.
Delta.
Ya,
Why
filosofi.
delta?
Filosofi.
Yeah. Ini
Adjective ya.
semuanya adjective. Yes.
Adjective.
Aural adjective, visual adjective, emotional adjective. Kok tiba-tiba filosofi kata benda? Okay. Philosophical elements, oral element, visual element, emotional element, philosophical element. Okay? Next,
sir.
please. Number 9. This is also easy. Come on.
Delta.
Charlie.
Bravo.
Bravo. Okay. Kenapa bravo?
To serve.
To preserve. Yeah. To color, to flavor, to fortify, to preserve food. Okay. Next, number 10.
Delta.
Delta. Ini juga gampang. Either, bukan nor, tetapi or. Alright. Either or. Tidak pernah either nor. Finish. Okay. Yay. Not yet. We have more. Pusing. Okay. Kalau nggak salah saya latihan berikutnya gabungan semua skill atau strategis ya Bapak Ibu. Ada banyak. Okay. Yes. There are 21. Oh no, not 21, 25. There are 25. 25. Sorry. Kemudian berakhirlah slide-nya. Thank you for joining me. Now get to work and break a leg. Do you know the meaning of break a leg?
Semoga sukses gitu ya.
Semoga sukses, bukan breaking the leg like this
Ya,
woman. Okay. Okay. So, are you ready?
Okay, ready.
Okay. Kalau sudah selesai, tolong kasih tahu saya ya, Bapak Ibu, biar saya bisa, atau si Mem Hairunisa juga bisa, atau gimana Bu?
Atau gini, ini kan satu soal itu berapa menit biasanya, supaya nanti
nggak menit Bu, nggak menit.
Detik,
20 detik, 20 detik.
20 kali 50 soal, 25 soal berarti 100. Berapa?
100? Saya nggak pandai matematika, Bu, makanya saya bahasa Inggris. Matematika, Pak Sudianto di sini, ahli matematika.
Satu soal berapa detik, Sah?
20 detik.
20, berarti 500. Kira 10 menit.
Berapa, Bu?
Kira-kira 10 menit.
10 menit, oke, 10 menit berarti. Saya pakai stopwatch ya, Bapak Ibu ya, biar fair. Oke, stopwatch. Tapi masalahnya gini Bu, Pak, slide-nya kan mesti saya maju-majukan.
I already print out. Sir.
Oh, Pak, Ibu memang well prepared. Bagaimana yang lain ini sudah di-download? Belum di-download. Oh,
Not yet, sir. We have
berarti Oke, berarti saya menggeser slide-nya berdasarkan hitungan waktu saya.
Siap.
Oke? Alright. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Ready? Okay. Now, Finished. Selesai. Time's up. Bagaimana, Bapak Ibu? Bisa dijawab semuanya?
Lack of time, sir. There is so
lack
many
of
questions
time.
that I not finished yet.
Oke, ya, cuma memberikan gambaran kepada Bapak Ibu sekalian, seperti itulah cepatnya waktu, limitednya waktu untuk structure and written expressions. Kalau saya tidak salah 25 minutes ya, dan itu 2 sections. Okay, so now let's discuss. It's okay, let's discuss. We have more practice exercises. Okay. So number 1, what do you think? Subjeknya buying clothes, bukan clothes. Oke, tapi
Alpha.
buying clothes. So alpha, it should be is. Next, number 2. Time itu uncountable. Okay, time is uncountable, so it must be too much, not too many. Too much time. Oke, coba diperiksa jawabannya, Bapak Ibu. Next, please, number 3. Oke, yang pasti delta. Karena hasn't, neither tidak pernah ada. Yang ada itu hasn't
Either.
either. Yes, hasn't either. Number 4, some of the plants require very little care. But this one needs much more sunlight than the others one. Delta. Yeah, delta. Then the other one. Okay, next please, number 5. This is easy. Come on, many theories. Tiba-tiba di sini, iya, bravo, have been. Okay, harusnya have been. Number 6, the food Mark is cooking is smelling delicious. Charlie. Oke, untuk indra perasa kita harus memakai present simple. Oke, kalau memakai present continuous maknanya sudah berbeda. Oke, must be smells delicious. Oke, smells, not is smelling. Next.
Nggak
Untuk-
berhenti berarti.
Iya, Pak?
Kalau smelling berarti nggak berhenti nyiumnya.
Mencium yang lain itu, Pak. Smelling. Is smelling. Oke, saya charger dulu ya, Pak. Bu. Sudah 5%. Wait a minute. Sorry. Oke. Tidak. Oh. Okay, good. Now let's see here. Number 7.
B.
B.
Bravo.
Yes, bravo. Karena subjeknya work.
Work,
Okay. So is not. Next, number 8. Ini sama juga, gampang. Homework, uncountable. Jadi that homework.
Alpha.
Okay. Yes, alpha. That atau the. Okay. Next, number 9. Coffee, uncountable. Jadi tidak bisa a few.
Bisa pakai few.
Iya. Jadi seharusnya memakai apa? Kalau a cup boleh Pak. A cup of coffee boleh. Atau some coffee. Oke. Kita tidak pernah mengatakan walaupun secara grammar benar a little coffee itu janggal ya digunakan. Memang benar a little itu untuk uncountable. Coffee is uncountable, but we don't use it. We don't say it. We don't say please give me a little coffee. We say please give me some coffee. Okay? Next please, number 10. Ini
Bravo,
sangat
betul.
gampang.
Bola.
Bravo. Tidak pernah ada children. Good. Next please. Number 11. Bagaimana?
Bravo.
Bravo. Seharusnya disappears. Okay, present simple. Kalau dia past simple berarti besok sudah berubah lagi. Tidak 7 o'clock. Okay. Not in the morning, maybe in the afternoon or in the evening. Next, please. Okay. Tadi saya hampir tidak tahu jawabannya, yang number 12. So which one do you think? Hampir terjebak. Sederhana tapi sangat menjebak. Number 12.
A, sir.
Yes,
Alpha.
Charlie. No, Charlie. Kenapa Charlie harus want? Subjeknya adalah she. Oh, sorry, wanted. Wanted, not want. Sorry. Karena di sini was, past simple. Oh, sorry. Past simple was. Okay, subjeknya she wanted. Okay. Next, please. Charlie, jawabannya. Wanted. Okay. Kalau di sini is, berarti di sini juga tetap salah, seharusnya want. Okay, want. Next, please. Number 13.
D.
Yes? Delta. Kenapa delta? Kita bermain tenses sekarang, Bapak Ibu. Kenapa delta? Custom is. Iya, okay. So it should be invite. Invite them, tidak invited. Bukan simple past, tapi tetap present simple. Kita membicarakan custom, adat kebudayaan, adat kebiasaan. Okay? Present simple. It is. Di sini juga sudah ada penanda. It is. Is. Jadi invite. Next, number 14. Sudah ada penanda lagi. I thought. Thought past simple. Jadi yang salah?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Why Charlie?
No one.
Were Alpha.
They
Alpha.
They were arriving.
Were arriving. Sudah ada penandanya. I thought that they were arriving at the airport today. Tapi, so far, no one from the embassy has called to confirm the time. Okay, next please. 15. Kok nggak nampak saya? Okay. Okay, tertutup. Okay, on October 19 something. Apa itu Bapak Ibu? Tolong bacakan kepada saya.
on October 1978, Cornwallis surrendered that his army
To General.
General.
Okay, I get it. Thank you, Ibu. Okay, so what is the answer?
Bravo.
Bravo. Okay. Sudah lengkap ini keterangan waktunya. Sudah lengkap. In the past. So must be past simple. Next, number 16.
Surrender.
Ini practice exercise-nya skill yang tidak kita bahas secara detail, ya. A. Kenapa A? Kenapa alpha? Last month. So it must be was. Okay, last month was. Next, please, number 17. Until the day she died. Udah meninggal, kenapa masih memakai present simple? Berarti gentayangan. Who lives by the university. So, bravo. Jadi seharusnya lived. Okay, who lived by the university. Next, please, number 18. Last year.
Okay.
A. Seharusnya apa, Pak? Ibu?
Was.
Was.
Okay, good. Was. Next, number 19. 1990. Public Opinion Magazine report hit. 1990. So, bravo. So, it should be believed. Yes, plus D. Ya, believed. Bermain dengan tenses kita di practice exercise ini. Next, please. Number 20. Last year.
Bravo.
Yes, it was important to take note. Good. Next, number 21.
Alpha.
Huh? Alpha? Why?
Fruit and vegetables.
There's nothing wrong.
Okay.
Fruit bentuk singular sama pluralnya sama, Ibu. Fruit and fruit. Okay?
Charlie.
Yes, Charlie. Karena every day it should be are. They are shipped in every day. Menunjukkan daily activities. Present simple. Next, please. 22. Ini juga gampang. Come on. Alpha. Very good. Why? Yesterday. Jadi seharusnya?
Did not.
Did not. Okay. Number 23. Hello. Bravo. Good. Usually give. Present simple. It is a good idea. Present simple. You are entitled. Present simple. Jadi kenapa tiba-tiba simple past di sini? Bravo. So it should be who deposits. Okay? Next, please. Number 24.
Bravo.
Cepat ya, Pak. Bravo. Yes. Accelerated. Okay. Past simple. And then,
Qualified.
jadi di sini juga qualified, past simple. Good. Accelerated, qualified. Next, number 25, the last one, please.
Charlie.
Charlie. It is necessary, yes, includes, not included, your name. Done, finished. Selesai. Selesai kan? Yes, selesai. Done. Bagaimana?
Pusing, sir.
How was it? Pusing? Sengaja saya kasih yang bermain dengan tenses. Kita tidak specifically diskusi mengenai tenses, ya. Okay. So I just want to refresh your memory. Coba ada penampakan itu Bu Christine Helena di belakang. Siapakah itu?
Ma'am Julie, sir.
Ma'am Julie. Okay. Right.
Actually, Ma'am
Pengen
Julie
belajar.
want to join us, sir.
Oh, mau join, bayar bilang Ma'am Christine. Biar saya kasih nomor rekening saya sama Ma'am Julie. Okay. Anyways, jadi itulah yang written expression focusing on tenses. Okay, kita tidak mendiskusikan secara spesifik mengenai tenses. Okay, because I believe you remember. Okay, you remember. I think almost all of things about tenses. Ya, pasti kan masih ingat kan, Bapak Ibu yang mendasar dari bahasa Inggris tenses? Masih ingat? Oke, pastilah masih ingat. Oke, gampang kalau tenses. Right. So, kita practice exercise lagi.
Cukuplah.
What do you think? One more time? Atau masih pusing? Masih mau take a deep breath? And then exhale.
Sir, attendance, sir.
Nah, kalau udah attendance, Pak, cepat kali Bapak. Attendance. Nggak sempat lagi take a deep breath ya, Pak? Oke, attendance. Oke lah, attendance. Saya cari dulu di mana ini dibikin Ibu Jija. Sepertinya Ibu Jija akan membawa kabar baik. Oke, saya copy dulu. Oke. Chat. Oke, linknya sudah saya pasted in the chat room. Can you find it? Yes. Oke, silahkan Bapak Ibu untuk melengkapi presensi untuk hari ini. While waiting for you, I will share. Nama grup kita pelatihan TOEFL UPT Bahasa. Benar Bapak Ibu? Grup WhatsApp? I think so. Okay. Aduh, kalau udah melengkapi presensi, terlalu sangat fokus sekali ya Bapak Ibu ya.
Atau salah isi nama itu. NIDN-nya salah satu angka, orangnya beda.
Oh, seperti itu ya Pak ya? Oke. Mini test. Ya, mini test. Full practice exercise. Mini test.
Besok last day ya, Sir?
Hah? Kok last day, Bu?
Ya, bukan.
Bukan. Kalau nggak salah saya last day hari Selasa, Rabu, hari Rabu.
Sorry, sir.
Iya, karena kan kita 3 hari listening, 3 hari structure written expression, 3 hari reading. Tapi saya sih planningnya cuma 2 hari reading, oke? Karena reading bisa dipadatkan 2 hari, strateginya cukup sedikit, tidak perlu panjang lebar. Saya lebih mau fokus ke practice exercise, baru hari yang terakhir kita simulasi. Jadi nanti di hari terakhir simulasi, saya harap Bapak Ibu bisa menggunakan headset atau earphone supaya lebih jelas untuk listeningnya. Dan saya sudah share in our WhatsApp group the document for full practice exercise for structure written expression, full practice exercise. Can you please check your WhatsApp group? If you can find it, please download it. Sudah ada Bapak Ibu di WhatsApp? Sudah di-download? Okay, can you please try to do it in 25 minutes? Dalam waktu 25 menit. 25 minutes starts now. Apakah kita bisa mulai sekarang? Ya? Halo? Atau masih mendownload? Dan kita mulai dari sekarang, 25 minutes. Oke.
Oke.
yang lain yang datang ke yang
Oke, bagaimana Bapak Ibu? Sepertinya waktunya sudah selesai. 25 minutes, if I'm not mistaken.
Capek. Ini sambung besok lagi.
Sambung besok lagi?
Iya.
Oke, besok saja saya kasih jawabannya. Bagaimana Bapak Ibu?
Iya, Sir.
Oke. Besok kita diskusikan jawabannya, atau kalau Bapak Ibu tidak mau diskusi, sudah terlalu lelah dengan structure written expression, saya kasihkan saja jawabannya besok langsung. Oke?
Iya, diskusikan, Sir. Besok tapi didiskusikan.
Masih ada hari esok. Oke?
Iya.
Oke. Reading bakalan singkat. Oke? Ya. So,
Okay, sir.
I think that's it. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. See
Have
you
a good
tomorrow.
day.
Thank you, sir.
Good day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.